Hi, today we're gonna learn how to download videos from our favorite social media apps. You can jump to any specific part if you want by clicking the logo on the screen or using the breakpoints on the timeline. All the links you'll need will be in the description below. Let's start with an easy one, YouTube. All you need to do is just copy the URL, go to the website and paste it, press convert, and after you finished loading, press download. For downloading on YouTube, it's pretty much the same. Again, all you need to do, copy the link. Now we go to a different website, a bit more complicated, but give a lot better result. You can change the title, format, MP4, WAV, anything you want. Saving image from Facebook is very easy, but I still thought it should be in this video. All you need to do, open the image, right click, press save as, choose your folder and press on save. For saving videos on YouTube we have two methods because it's more complicated and it really depends on the video. So our first method is this. You need to open the video in full screen, copy the URL, go to this website, paste and press convert. Very easy like the first two parts, but now you need to open the video in your new tab and press on the three dots and download. The second method is for private videos, works if the first method doesn't work. Press Ctrl U to open the source code, Ctrl A to select it all, and then Ctrl C to copy. Go to the website, press private video converter and paste all of the videos, might take some time, then press on download. You need to wait a bit longer because it takes the source code and convert it, then download as you normally do, press the three dots and download. If you'll open Instagram, right click and press save as, we won't be able to save this image as an image format. Then what we need to do is like this. Right click and inspect element, open the button class, this one, and open the link. Here we'll have options for links to the image, 100 pixels, 750, etc. We'll use the best quality, obviously the last link in the options. Then we just copy it or click and drag and open it in a new tab. Here we have our image, right click, save image as, and now we can save it as an image format on our PC. Saving a video from Instagram is a very similar process. All we need to do is right click and inspect. Then we'll just use the search option with Ctrl F, press MP4 and find the link. All we need to do now, like before, just copy the link or click and drag, open it in a new tab, then press on the three dots and download. Last but not least, we have Twitter image. Just open the image, right click and press save image as, like we did before, and save your image. To download a Twitter video, all we need to do is right click on the video, copy link address, open this website, paste our link and press on download. Now we have options for the quality, we'll just pick the best one and download it to our PC. Open it and press the 3 points and download. Thanks for watching.